singer R. Kelly is heading back to court in Chicago this morning. He is hoping the judge in his criminal case will now let him travel to the Middle East. In court papers filed this week, Kelly says he is supposed to perform 3 to 5 shows next month in Dubai and meet members of the royal family. Jerika Duncan is outside the courthouse in Chicago with more on Robert Kelly. Jerika, good morning to you.
Good morning to you. When R. Kelly decided that he was going to surrender that passport last month on bond, he also agreed to ask the judge just for permission to leave the state. Well, now he's saying that because of his reputation and financial situation, he must travel overseas in order to make money. With his legal problems mounting and his U.S. concerts canceled, R. Kelly says he's been offered a financial lifeline over 7,000 miles away. He's booked several shows in Dubai in April, a contract signed before he was arrested in February on 10 counts of aggravated criminal sexual abuse. 3 of his 4 alleged victims were 16 years old or younger.
He's obviously upset that he can't move about and play concerts and go about his business.
His attorney, Steve Greenberg, says Kelly is now struggling to find his legal defense, make child support payments, and pay day-to-day expenses.
He's got to go where he can make a living, and that happens to be where someone is willing to pay him to perform, and he can get a venue.
Despite churning out hit songs for decades, Kelly told Gayle King earlier this month he only had about $350,000 left in his bank account.
When you have 30 years of success, unfortunately, it becomes the gift and the curse. People tricking me, managers, road managers, accountants, never knew any parts of the business. I just knew music, and I wanted to do music.
The 3-time Grammy winner has been dropped by his record label. Streaming services have removed his songs. Twice, he's relied on friends and fans to get him out of jail, paying his $100,000 bond and more than $161,000 in back child support.
He's not going to hide. He's not going to flee. And frankly, if someone was going to flee, they wouldn't ask for permission to flee.
Kelly has pleaded not guilty to the criminal charges. Now, the group known as Mute R. Kelly, organizers from that group sent a letter to the judge asking for the judge to reject Kelly's travel plans, noting in that letter that many of Kelly's alleged victims were met at a concert of his. Gail?
Jerika, thank you.